You are ready to buy your first supply of PET bottles before launching your new product line. But what should you be looking for in a bottle? Selecting the right PET bottle shape and size can feel overwhelming. There are a lot of choices to be considered, and not all bottles are right for the job. You want to ensure your bottle supplies are durable and safe for your products and the consumer buying them. Hello, my name is Mayank Agarwal and I am the owner of General Plastic Industries, your packaging partner. At General Plastic Industries, we supply bottles to different industries like mineral water, juice, oil, home care, confectionery, personal care. We believe in giving our customers the right PET bottles for their packaging needs. When selecting PET bottles, there are few areas you need to concentrate on. Number 1. Neck type. Different neck types are applicable for different liquids filled in the bottle. For example, mineral water packaging requires TST or Alaska neck. Juice packaging requires 1881 or PCO short neck. Liquor requires ROPP neck, and current trends in oil require a snap-on neck or CTC neck. It is not limited to only these 4 types of necks. Depending on the current market trends, the neck size of these bottles also vary. The current trend for liquor has shifted from 28 mm ROPP to 25 mm ROPP. Reasons being to save cost. Even FMCG companies like Coca-Cola in Nepal have shifted from 28 mm 1881 to 19 mm 1881. If you require to package tea, confectionery, ghee, the neck size changes drastically, which ranges from 53 mm to 120 mm. So as a consumer of bottles, you should discuss the current neck variant available for packaging of your products with your PET bottle supplier to make an informed decision. Number 2. Volume of bottle. The size of the bottle is based on the volume you want to fill in that bottle. For mineral water bottles, the basic size of 1 liter or half liter, which is available with all PET bottle manufacturers. But if specialty sizes like 300 ml or 600 ml is required, usually requires special molds to be made at the cost of the buyer. Here, it will also depend on the grammages of PET preforms available with the PET bottle manufacturer. Another example can be confectionaries, where different volumes of candy go into different volume of PET jar. Number 3. Strength of the bottle. The strength of the bottle is dependent on the usage of that bottle. Let's say a mineral water bottle is a single-use bottle. Mostly, the contents are consumed in one go and then it is disposed of. Whereas, a glass cleaner or oil bottle is used multiple times before the contents are consumed and finally disposed of. The strength of the bottle depends on the grammage of the PET preform. In the same example as above, a half liter PET mineral water bottle is packaged in 12.8 grams, while a half liter oil bottle is packaged in 20 grams and a half liter glass cleaning solution is packed in 30 grams. Thus, you can see that the same volume of liquid is packaged in different grammage bottles depending on the use. Number 4. Design. Bottle design reflect the purpose, while other designs represent the brand. As you can see, the non-ribbed circular design depicts a phenyl bottle. Narrow top and wide bottom looking like an upside down funnel is used for glass cleaner. The trademark design of Aquafina, Baileys, Bisleri. Once you see the bottle design, you recognize the brand. While there are other bottles whose design attract the consumers to purchase the product. You as a consumer need to decide which category your products will fall into and what is your bottle design preference. The above points need to be considered first before making a decision to buy a bottle. After this will come the price of the bottle. At General Plastic Industries, we suggest our new customers to use the existing designs available so that they do not need to incur an additional cost of making a PET bottle blow mold and can focus on building a profitable business by increasing sales. Then, a brand can be developed by procuring a bottle mold according to your design preference. If I have added value to you, please share this video with your friends. This is Mayank Agarwal signing off, and I will see you in my next video.